Yes, this is so against the grain of the construction industry right now. Take the time to plan. What do you mean? You tell your clients to plan every day. You want a design, you want approval, you want pre-selections, all these things that we want our clients to do to make our job easier and run smoother so we can hold to our schedule, but we can't hold ourselves to it. Therefore, look at the successful ones out there. Look what they've done. Don't reinvent the wheel. Talk to them. Do the same thing. Guarantee you, you'll get more out of that than just trying to wing it every day, day in and
Mhm.
day out, hoping things will come into play.
Absolutely, man. Fantastic stuff today. I've absolutely enjoyed having you on the show. For all the construction champions out there, if they wanted to find you, connect with you, talk to you, where's the best places or place for them to do that?
The number one place you can get a hold of me is LinkedIn. It's linkedin.com/in/Nathan-Rosenlund. That's the best place. You can go to KodiakConsultingLLC.com. You can see my website. My email is on the website, so you can reach out to me that way. I'd love to have conversations with anyone that has questions or wants more clarification. If anything said has intrigued anybody, reach out to me. I love conversations. I love meeting new people.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you for taking the time to be on the show today.
Oh, thank you, Ron.